336 CSX My here, and today I got some Monster Jam creatures for Target. Is Gravedigger Grim. What's he had? Ooh, this is Unleashed for Beast, which is another languages. I'll tell. Please give me a comment about this language. If I am most this I'll pack it, unbox, and I can do really quick. And here's a Gravedigger. It's almost like a 30th anniversary purple truck. It was pretty nice with some nice working detailed wheels. And I will get a Gravedigger from Hot Wheels really quick. As you can see, very different because it's 30th anniversary Gravedigger. But it's a Spin Master regular Gravedigger. We're back to a bone with it. And that looks a different size. And let me get a Grim. Oh well. Here's a Grim, by the way. Here's a cool action figure, by the way. And I can do a Grim opening tomorrow. But I don't have the time for this. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.